Team 2638 Rebel Robotics' scouting app for the 2024 season Crescendo. When you first open the app, you're greeted by the scouting page, which allows you to click the New Session button to start your first scouting session to take a team's information for a match. When you first click on the scouting session button, you are told to put in the match information and team information before the match starts. That's the number of the match that you're recording for, and whether it was a practice, qualification, or playoff match, as well as the team that you're scouting for, which is their number, with their blue or red alliance, and their starting position on the field. When the match actually starts, you can take the autonomous information first, which is the first 15 seconds of the match. And you can record what the robot did in autonomous. As it progresses to teleop, you can also record what it did in teleop. And finally, in endgame, you can record what it did in endgame and whether it achieved harmony. You can also record whether it got the cooperation bonus and whether the robot broke down and lost connection on field. So let's save this scouting session. When you save the scouting session, it's saved in the history page. In this, you can look at the session that you just recorded, and you can send it to a scouting leader using DuckShare, where they can copy your QR code and analyze the data for the match that you just scouted for. If you're ever confused about anything going on in the game, you can click on the game info page and see a labeled game field of all of the different game locations, what each game location is used for in the match, and the different game items used. Finally, if you want to switch up the themes and make it look different, we have a bunch of different themes you can choose from to make it look as different as you can imagine, and that changes all of the colors for every page. If you have a lot of matches to scout in a row, you can lock yourself in to the only pages which you will need, which is the duck page, the scouting page, and the history page. This will allow you to get rid of any redundant information on your screen and focus on scouting.